what's going on, Captain John? Today we'll be doing some more Survivor with this other girl, Froggy Louder, whatever. Would you like to say hello and tell us your proper name on your Minecraft?
Hi, my name's Clara.
Yeah. And where are you?
I'm hiding.
Can you see me?
Nope.
Are you around your house?
I'm somewhere in the house. It's quite easy.
No!
Oh, you found me.
Are you trying to kill me?
No, I'm trying to kill somebody else. I saw a zombie where the creeper was.
Yeah?
I don't know where it is now.
What do you mean? Sorry guys, that we already started because we were doing this test, but then I thought because me and Froggy Louder were on it, so we should get started making videos. So this shall never end, won't it?
Oh, that's where I killed the creeper.
Get in there, get in the hole. No.
Thank you.
Are you after me still? You're after Thunder. Okay, let's see. Would you like me to make
some sugar canes?
Yeah, bring them to the house. I want to make some chips and I'm gonna make a bow for you.
Okay.
Don't you think it's nice if I shout with it, or do you think it's mean?
No.
Nah, what? Ka.
Yeah.
Wee. Wee.
Quite a lot. I have 14 sugar canes.
40? That's too much for the house.
14.
14 is too much for the house.
18.
18 is too much for the house.
And I've got more here.
And I've got more here. Why aren't you working?
Quite taking a long time.
Of what?
I'm swimming. And it's got the ice here now. Come on, go faster.
Making your bow. Why aren't you working, Bo?
24.
What? It's not working. No? Why aren't you working?
28. I might not tell you anymore.
Hold on a sec. Boom, boom.
So much sugar canes.
Oh, there we go. That's the thing. Got it now. Alright, so I've got you a bow. So, here we go. I'm gonna go get some... Wait, I have enough wood? Yeah, I've got enough wood to make a chest. Maybe able to.
I'll be back in like a minute. Just need to get this and then I'll be ready.
Okay. Let's do that, and then I'll turn that in.
I think I'm lost now actually.
Yeah?
Anyway, I'll find my way out.
Yep. So I'm gonna start making the house. We're gonna make the house in block, cobblestone, or in oak wood planks.
Wooden.
Wood. All right. Get if you have trees where you are, stop chopping them.
Well, I'm lost.
Well, do you see any trees where you are?
One.
One. Well, get it.
I think.
So I think.
Bat.
Bat.
Yeah, that's where you live. And where? No, can't find any. Oh no, I need to eat.
You need to eat. My poor Besita Froggy Louder needs to eat.
I only have one more bread left and an apple.
Well, that's sad. Because I've already got some food. I've got let's see, I've got about like 20, 23.
Full steak, I know.
Yeah, but it's not cooked yet.
I got some, and I still have one more.
One more.
You gotta kill some cows.
Okay. Wait, actually, I've got a plan.
Cows here, so there'll be enough food, I think. Yay!
Say yay!
Food! Don't. This one's trying to escape. No, you cannot escape from me. And last one. Sorry. I'm really sorry.
You're really sorry. Are you sure?
Yeah, there's more cows somewhere. Oh, I found trees.
Oh, chop. Keep chopping.
What?
Chop, chop.
Oh, but yeah, I've got an axe.
Yeah, me too. I've just made a stone one.
And there's more sugar canes here too. And mushrooms. Shall I bring some mushrooms?
Bring mushrooms.
Could you put it today, please?
Okay. Hold on, let me just finish making this.
Now.
Wait,
Now.
you're impatient. Until you stop saying no, I won't.
There's a zombie right in front of me. I doesn't even know that. Is that a zombie? Seriously?
That zombie. Seriously.
Aw, poor zombie. He's on fire.
Yeah, that's what happens when it's day.
He's on fire and he's holding a flower.
So beautiful.
Oh no, he went in the water. And now he's dead. Die, zombie. Let's see. Die. And he said, sorry, I said that I wanted you to die. Okay, so how many mushrooms do we need?
As many as you need. I mean, as many as you want. Try and get both of the types of mushrooms. You know.
I just can't find, for now I've just found, one type.
Okay. Boom, boom.
I found a lot of trees.
Okay, that's like that, and then the house will go that way. Boom.
Okay, let's finish this tree. Oh no, please not rain.
It's raining man. Hallelujah, it's raining man. Yeah.
Hey man.
What the crap?
What?
It's raining man.
I'm
Hallelujah.
underneath the tree, so I'm not getting wet. But there's thunder.
In my place, there's no thunder.
I'll just have it right now. And again. Okay, let's go. Tree by tree, because there's trees everywhere.
Trees are everywhere because it's the nature's thing.
Can't we go any faster than this in the water? Seriously? Baby, I hate things like this when it rains and rains.
Cara, no singing, please, on the videos.
I don't care. Could you please, no rain.
No rain.
Yeah, no rain.
Yeah. It's like, please send it today. Please tell me creative. Please, no rain.
Oh, I've got some cooked pork chop.
Pork chop.
That was yours. Yeah, I didn't give it back.
I don't care because you're not a nice.
Trees, but I don't want to go for them. Because if not, I'll get lost. Well, could you please not put it? Whoa!
No.
Cows! Woo!
Woo.
There's like 10 cows here. They're in a group.
It's not my fault the cows are like that.
Okay, I'm gonna have a lot of steak.
Okay.
Bye. 13.
On a rise, on a rise.
Ow, hate days like this. Whoa, there's so many. Oh. Jordan. Stop the rain. I want to see the zombies die.
Okay. We're clear.
These two zombies are trying
Okay. Carl, you just sounded like a boy laughing.
Yeah, but there's a cat looking at it. Not with the water. No. That one's staying there.
My head was like boom.
That one died. Go out with water then I'll see you guys. I'm quite lost, Jordan.
I'm not
I'll
quite.
tell you when I need you to teleport now.
Okay.
Done.
Well, I call it for this episode, guys. With Froggy Laura. Oh, Clara, they're over there.
You see me? Where are you? Hello, zombie. You're on fire. Nice to meet you. You just died. Hey, Jordan. There's some trees over there.
Yeah, I know. I'm just gonna cut for this episode and then we'll carry on the other ones. So I hope you guys enjoyed. This was Ken Jordan and Froggy Laura. Hope you got it right. This was episode 1, survival episode 1 with Froggy Laura. Hope you guys enjoyed. And a rating will be much appreciated. And I'll see you guys again. Bye.